Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add Clyde bot on Discord server. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Discord and you need to open any server. Once you open, you simply need to click on server settings. And once you are here, you simply need to click on integrations. And here you can see bots and apps. Click on app directory and here you need to search for the Clyde AI and hit enter, and his that is the server. You simply need to click on add to server, click on continue and click on authorize. So once you click on that, you are able to get access. You are able to add the Clyde bots to your Discord server. So let me show you the group where I already added the Clyde bot. So for this it is not, but here you can see that I added in my this group. So this is the process by which you can add Clyde bot on Discord server. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.